Hello everyone, welcome back to this physics video, and in today's video we are going to have the discussion which is regarding to the ray rules, how the ray will pass through the lens, and second important thing that how many focus a lens is having. So over here that a lens is having two focus. So one of the focus it is said to be primary focus, or it is said to be first focus, while the second focus it is said to be secondary focus, or either it is second focus. Okay, so thus we are having over here lens is having two focus. So lens that it is concave as well as this convex, so both are having two focus. Now let us look over here that which focus is said to be primary and which set is said to be secondary. For this I'm going to suppose this one it is as convex lens. Let us to take the example of this is as convex lens, and it is having one center of this curved part to the left, while of this curved part its center is given toward the right side. So a line is joining these two. Okay, so this is said to be over here that of this principal axis. This straight line it is principal axis, and the mid of this thin lens it is said to be optical center. So we have to draw a dotted line uh, which will join the opposite end. So this is said to be over here optic axis. So all the refraction you have to show. ठीक है, ऑल रिफ्रैक्शन, तो जितनी भी बेंडिंग है उस लाइट की वो आपने ऑप्टिक एक्सिस से शो करनी है. ऑल रिफ्रैक्शन शोन फ्रॉम दिस ऑप्टिक एक्सिस. ठीक है, तो थिन लेंसेज के केस में जो जितनी भी रिफ्रैक्शन है वो हमारे पास इस ऑप्टिक एक्सिस से शो की जाएगी. ओके, नाउ लेट अस टू लर्न ओवर हियर दैट व्हाट थिंग इज सेकंड फोकस. सो फॉर दिस स्टूडेंट we must to remember that a parallel ray to the principal axis, they are going to fall on this lens. Okay, there is this parallel ray to the principal axis. So one ray it is going along this principal axis, so that ray which is directly passing from its optic center, so it will not bend, it will pass straight. But those which is away from it, so they will bend. Okay, so these rays they are going to meet on this principal axis at a point. Okay, so over here this focus which is we are having, this is said to be second focus. Okay, what is this? It is second focus. It is second focus over here. Okay, now where we can also call it as secondary focus. So what is the second focus? That when the parallel rays after refraction meets on this principal axis, so that focus it is said to be second focus. So in general, whenever we are going to talk of about focus, so focus means to say over there that it is second फोकल पॉइंट. ठीक है, रिमेंबर दिस वन कि जब भी हम फोकस की बात करते हैं ना, तो फोकस मतलब कि हम सेकंड फोकस पॉइंट की ही बात करते हैं. ठीक है, तो सेकंड फोकस कब बनता है? जब पैरेलल रेस उस पॉइंट पे फॉल करती हैं. नाउ दिस इज ओवर हियर प्राइमरी फोकस क्या होता है? व्हाट इज दिस प्राइमरी फोकस? सो फॉर दिस प्राइमरी फोकस लेट अस टू लुक वंस अगेन. दिस इज द अनदर डायग्राम. ये हमारे पास एक कॉन्वेक्स लेंस एंड दिस इज दिस प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. So both side there is the center C1 and here this center it is C2. ठीक है, इस कर्व सरफेस का सेंटर इस तरफ है, इस कर्व सरफेस का सेंटर इस तरफ है. ठीक है, नाउ ओवर हियर and this is that midpoint which is that optic axis. Now if a ray of light that is going to start from this point and which goes after refraction parallel to principal axis. ठीक है, इसमें क्या हुआ, हमारे पास वो पॉइंट इस प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस जहाँ से एक रे ऑफ लाइट जब लेंस पे फॉल करती है, सो आफ्टर रिफ्रैक्शन इट गोज पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. ओके, सो दिस पॉइंट ओवर हियर इट इज सेड टू बी फर्स्ट फोकस. सो दिस इज दैट F1. See over here the arrows how I have shown. Okay, this time that the ray is going from the focus and it is going to fall on that lens. So after refraction they are going to be parallel. So this focus it is said to be that first focus. It is first focus or either it is said to be primary focus. And in secondary focus, that parallel ray were going after refraction meeting to this point, that was secondary focus. Similarly, this could be explained for that concave lens. So in concave lens, as we are having, this is concave lens over here. Here it is the optic axis, and it is having its two center of curvature as well. Two center of curvature, one it is toward the left, and second it is toward the right side. Okay, so the two center of curvature. Now over here, that we are looking the parallel rays to the principal axis, they are going to fall. So here the parallel rays to the principal axis, they falls on this optic axis, and after refraction this spreads out, diverging lens it is. Okay, so it spreads out. So similarly over here it spreads out, but if we retrace them back, so they meets appear to meet on this principal axis. Okay, so this point from where these rays are appearing to go. Okay, so this point we are having the focus. What this focus, it is second focus. Okay, what is this one? It is second focus. Okay, so when there is the second focus formed, तो सेकंड फोकस हमारे पास जब जिस तरफ रेज आ रही हैं उसी साइड में जो हमारे पास फोकस बनता है, दिस इज सेड टू बी सेकंड focus. Okay, this is second focus. Now over here, if we talk about of this one, that of primary focus. So for primary focus, once again this is that diagram for that concave lens. Here it is having this optic axis, this is optic axis, this is principal axis. Now here the rays are directly appearing to fall. If the rays are directly falling on that principal focus, ठीक है, यहाँ पे जो रे है वो डायरेक्टली कहाँ पे अपियर कर रही है, फॉल करती हुई फोकस पे, बट आफ्टर रिफ्रैक्शन दे गोस पैरेलल. ठीक है, तो ये क्या होगी, पैरेलल. सिमिलरली ओवर है, ये जो रे ऑफ लाइट है इट इज अपियरिंग टू फॉल ऑन दिस पॉइंट. ओके, बट आफ्टर रिफ्रैक्शन इट इज गोइंग पैरेलल, तो ये पैरेलल हो गया. सो दिस फोकस विच इज इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ लाइट, दिस इज सेड टू बी first focus, it is f1. Okay, thus we are having over here these two focus which is regarding to the lenses. Now let us to learn over here that ray rules. Okay, so over here that how this refraction will take place while the ray is going to fall on that lens. Okay, so therefore we are going to learn over here ray rules. Okay, so this ray rules for concave and convex, that we are going to understand it only with a single diagram. Let us suppose over here this is convex lens. Okay, and it is that principal axis. Okay, it is principal axis. So over here it is having two focus. Okay, so one to the left side, two focus होते हैं, so one to the left side and that second it is to that right side. Okay, so it is having the two focus. और हमारे पास जो फोकस का डबल होता है वो सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर आएगा, तो ये C1 यहाँ पे, यानी कि इस F1 का डबल. ठीक है, और वैसे ही यहाँ पर इस F2 का डबल इफ यू विल डू ओवर हेयर, सो दिस इज your center of curvature to that right side, so it is double of f2 is written in this way. Okay, now we are supposing that हमारे पास just for learning the ray rules I am going to place this is the object. ठीक है, ये मेरे पास एक ऑब्जेक्ट है, this object I have called it is as PQ. This is that object. Okay, now over here this is that optic axis and here it is optical center. Okay, now the first ray rule, what it says, that the ray of light parallel to the principal axis, the ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis, after refraction it goes from its second focus. ठीक है, तो जो रे ऑफ लाइट हमारे पास प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस की होती है वो आफ्टर रिफ्रैक्शन क्या हो जाती है, पैरेलल टू प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस हो जाती है. सो फर्स्ट रूल इज दैट पैरेलल incident ray refracts that to pass through second focus. So it is F2 over there. Okay, this is that first ray rule we learn over here. So how this refraction will take place for this concave lens as the parallel ray to the principal axis will pass. So here parallel ray to the principal axis, when it falls on that concave lens, so it spreads it out. And if we retrace it back, then it appear to go from focus. Okay, so thus we come to know over here that parallel rays in case of convex and in case of concave. So parallel incident ray refracts to pass through second focus in case of convex lens, while in case of concave, parallel incident ray appear after refraction to have come from second focus. Okay, so it is appearing to come from second focus. Now the second ray rule. So second ray rule, that a ray of light which directly uh, falls on this optical center, so it passes undeviated from it. Okay, so there it is going to pass undeviated. Okay, the ray of light which falls directly on optical center, it passes undeviated. Okay, similarly this second ray rule, that the ray of light which will fall directly on this optical center, so it will pass undeviated. So here it is that second ray rule. So second ray rule over there, ray through center of lens does not deviate, or second concave case, ray through center of lens does not deviate. So this is same ray rule, that and the same behavior in the second case. Now the third ray we are taking over here, the ray of light which is that going from the focus and which falls on that lens, which goes from the focus and falls on the lens. So after refraction it becomes parallel to the principal axis. Okay, so it becomes parallel to the principal axis. Okay, so this is the third ray rule. The ray of light which goes from first focus and falls on that lens, so after refraction it goes parallel. Okay, so where these rays are going to meet each other, so at that point we are having its image, the image of this PQ. So this image will be in downward. So we are finding over here all the rays are meeting by their self at this point. So this image which is formed, that it is said to be real image. This is रियल इमेज. तो रियल इमेज डार्क लाइन से शो करते हैं और रेज अपने आप मीट करती हैं. ओके, while in this how this third ray rule will take place. So we have said over there that the ray of light which goes from that first focus, here it is said that. Now look up over here, its focus is to which side? Its focus is toward right. Okay, so therefore the ray of light which will appear to fall on this first focus, here we will say this as the ray of light which will appear to fall on first focus. After refraction it goes parallel to the principal axis. ठीक है, व्हाट इज सेड ओवर हेयर. हाँ, जो थर्ड रे रूल है, थर्ड रे रूल में जो रे ऑफ लाइट डायरेक्टली फोकस के ऊपर फॉल करती हुई आती है वो आफ्टर रिफ्रैक्शन पैरेलल हो जाती है. ठीक है, नाउ इफ वी विल रिट्रेस इट बैक, so this is going to meet at this point. So all these three rays, they are going to meet at this point. So here image will be formed. So all the rays we have started it from the head of this object. So therefore where they are meeting to each other, that place head will form. So this is that image. Here it is PQ object and it is P dash and it is Q dash. So it is the image. What this image we have formed it with the help of in that dotted lines. So that image which is shown with the dotted line, here the rays were not exactly meeting, we were retracing them back. So this type of image, it was virtual image. It was virtual image. Now one more thing that you will find, virtual image height is above the principal axis, while the real image height is below the principal axis. So this is the third ray rule which is observed by us, that ray through the first focus emerges parallel to the axis. It was the case of convex lens, and in concave this ray which appear to fall directly on lens after refraction goes parallel to principal axis. Okay, so this is that third ray rule we said, that which appear to directly fall on focus f1, after refraction it goes parallel. Okay, so thus these were the ray rules which is helpful for making the ray diagram of the objects through these lenses. Thanks for watching this video.